Hello everyone, this is the speed test comparison between the Redmi Note 9 Pro global variant and the Galaxy A71. If you are new here, please hit the thumbs up button, the subscribe button and the bell icon too. Okay, the Redmi Note 9 Pro is equipped with a 6GB RAM and has got the Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G chipset. A71 has got a RAM of 8GB and uses a Qualcomm Snapdragon 730 chipset. Both phones are running on the Android 10 and both phones are using their respective UIs, and the same settings have been applied on both the phones. There are no apps running in the background, both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi connection as well. Starting off the speed test with the restart test first of all. And here we go. Alright, the restart test has been won easily by the Galaxy A71. Checking out the Face ID unlock now. Face ID unlock looks more or less similar on both the phones. Not going to test a fingerprint scanner as one of these phones has a side mounted reader. Take a look at the AnTuTu score of both the phones with all the details appearing on the screen. I would like to mention here that this test was conducted prior to the Galaxy A71's One UI 2.1 update. The A71 now has a score of 250k on AnTuTu. Back in the day it was just 230k, and those of you wondering how the Snapdragon 720G has a higher score, that is because the Cortex A76 scores of the 720G are clocked 100 mHz more than the 730. Take a look at the Geekbench score now. Remember that higher is better here. And now you are looking at the AndroBench score. The phone consuming less time delivers better read and write performance. I will now close all the applications and launch the app speed test. The result will appear on your screen and the apps with a tie will appear right in the middle. Watch this test and I'll see you on the other side. Alright, so out of the 19 applications that we launched, A71 launched 12 apps faster while the Redmi Note 9 Pro launched only 5 apps faster, including slightly faster video editing and photo editing in the Snapseed application. There was a tie for only 2 applications in total. All apps are apparently in the RAM of both the phones, so I will launch some of these randomly. The Galaxy A71's RAM is definitely ahead. Xiaomi and Redmi phones usually kill most of the background applications in order to save battery. So this is something normal on these phones and there is nothing to worry about it. With this, our speed test comes to an end. The A71 is definitely a superior device and has got even better with the latest update. Since this test was recorded a couple of weeks back, I could not incorporate the results after the new update. However, the phone has further improved only. Obviously the A71 has its price too and the Redmi Note 9 Pro isn't a bad device at all. Redmi Note 9 Pro doesn't compromise on its performance to say the least. Let me know about your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe now and hit the thumbs up button too. With that said, I will sign off and see you in the next video.